Returns are a major part of e-commerce, and they keep getting more and more complicated as online shopping grows. I want to break down exactly what is happening right now in 2025 and 2026 on Amazon, why this topic is blowing up, and how brands can protect their margins while still scaling. Most brands think that their biggest profit leak is weak ads or low traffic. It may not be. It could likely be returns. And in 2025, returns are getting more expensive, more frequent, and more complicated than ever. Consumers are finding ways to cheat the system. If you do not understand this, what is happening behind the scenes, you're going to lose margin faster than you've ever done. Hey everybody, my name is Nick Hall. I'm an entrepreneur and an expert in the Amazon space, helping better for you CPG brands scale and win on Amazon. If you want to learn how to grow your brand on Amazon the right way, from strategy to execution, you're in the right place. Don't forget to hit subscribe and let's dive in. I recently saw CNBC coverage talking about sellers across e-commerce dealing with rising return rates and more return-related abuse. This is not something unique to Amazon. It's happening everywhere across every channel for more people. Anytime a retailer builds a fast, customer-friendly return experience, a small percentage of people, we always call those the crappy customers, will always try to take advantage of it. Most customers are great, but the few who abuse this create outsized financial pressure. And if a brand is not watching its numbers closely, that pressure is going to add up very quickly. So when a return happens, the brand usually is absorbing most of this cost. You lose the sale, you often lose the inventory, and depending on how you fulfill, you may still pay fees. Even a small rise in returns can hit margins pretty substantially. And if you're not keeping an eye on them, it's going to get even worse. Think about $40 or $50 product that comes back damaged, used, or missing pieces. You can't resell it at full price. You may not even be able to resell it at all. It may get thrown away. Multiply that across hundreds or thousands of units a month, and this becomes real money. And the reality is customer expectations have shifted. People want fast delivery and they want it even faster. They want instant refunds and they want zero friction refund experience. Amazon set the standard years ago. Temu has done similar. And so the entire industry is following it now. And so with that level of convenience, brands have to be even more proactive in understanding that their return patterns and protecting their bottom line. Returns themselves are not the problem. They are simply part of e-commerce. It's part of it. But the challenge becomes when avoidable or questionable returns increase and the brand is not tracking why. So here are some very practical ways that you can help immediately. So number one, track your return reasons and look for repeat patterns. Number two, strengthen your listing clarity so customers know exactly what they are getting. Number three, improve your packaging so products arrive in perfect condition. Number four, audit your return data. Spot the trends that may indicate confusion or abuse. Number five, document everything so you're covered. If you ever need reimbursement, reviews. Number six, use the tools Amazon provides to analyze the returns, and then tighten up your operational flow. The more visibility you have into why these returns are happening, the easier it is to reduce the unnecessary ones and protect the margin. Is this going to get rid of everything? Absolutely not. There's still what we call crappy customers, but this will reduce it substantially. And in 2026, the returns aren't going anywhere. I'll assume that they will continue to get worse. And as e-commerce expands, returns expand with it. Brands that build systems and forecasting around these returns are always going to outperform the ones that are just totally ignoring them. Take all of your data from Amazon, pull it all in, and that's how you build an incredible business. Amazon's continuing to release these tools and programs designed to help these brands understand their returns and operate more efficiently. And so the brands that are winning in 2026 are the ones using those systems to protect profitability while they're still growing. So if this breakdown is helpful for you, you want help supporting how you navigate these returns, the forecasting, or just improving your operational performance on Amazon, connect with me on LinkedIn, go through my website, send me a message. Always happy to help founders. We're serious about winning on Amazon, and thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next one.